Hi students, how you all? After a long time we are back with our session. Already in previous session we done a chapter. Now I'm going to start new chapter with a new session. Let us start with the fractions. Fractions. A fraction is a part of a fraction is a part of whole. Whole means sum. For example, so this is a total part divides into two parts. This each one is 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Generally, fraction is always denoted by numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. So between numerator and denominator, one line. This line is called by. Numerator by denominator. So examples of fractions are 3 by 2, 1 by 4, 7 by 6, 1 7 by 3. These are the examples of fractions. Suppose for example 3 by 2. In this 3 by 2, 3 is called numerator. 3 is called numerator. 2 is called denominator. And in 1 by 4, 1 is called numerator, 4 is called denominator. And in 7 by 6, 7 is called numerator, 6 is called denominator. So here the denominator is always indicates the number of parts. For example, in lower class already we learned it. So here I drew one circle, it divides into 4 parts. I shaded in one part. What is the fraction of shaded part? If you observe this, total figure divides into 4 parts. So that 4 write in denominator place. Now required part is shaded part. Shaded part is how many places are there? Only one part. So the required answer is 1 by 4. This is shaded. Suppose they are asking unshaded part. How many are there? Total 4 parts. Out of 4, how many parts are unshaded? 3 parts. 3 by 4 is unshaded parts. And one more example I will give it to you. This is a rectangular box. I am dividing again 8 square boxes, and I shaded randomly. I shaded some square boxes. Now I am asking what is the fraction of shaded part. Shaded part fraction is 1, 2, 3. Out of how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 parts. Shaded parts are 3. Now unshaded part. What is the fraction of unshaded part? How many are the unshaded part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 by total number of parts is 8. This is the fractions. Now I'm going to explain you types of fractions. So this types of fraction is based on the numerator and denominator. So in the types of fraction, first one is unit fraction. What are the unit fractions? The fraction which is having all numerators are 1. 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, etc. Unit means 1. The fractions, all numerators are 1. Types of fractions. So first one is unit fractions. What are the fraction which is having all numerators are 1? It is called unit fraction. Unit means 1. Numerator should be 1. And like fraction, second one is like fraction. What are the like fraction? The fraction which is having same denominators. Example 3 by 4, 5 by 4, 7 by 4, 9 by 4. If you observe these fractions, denominators are equal. So those fractions are called like fractions. And unlike fractions. Unlike fraction means different denominators. For examples of unlike fraction, 3 by 4, 7 by 5, 8 by 3, etc. Different denominators. Next one is proper fraction. Proper fraction. What are the proper fraction? In the proper fraction, numerator is always less than the denominator. Numerator is always less than the denominator. For example, 3 by 4. numerator is less than denominator. And 5 by 3. Observe this, 5 by 3 is numerator is less than denominator. No, numerator is greater than the denominator, so it is not example of proper fraction. Okay, 3 by 5, it is example of proper fractions. 7 by 9, numerator is always less than the denominator. Numerator is always less than the denominator, so it is called proper fractions. And next one is improper. Improper means numerator is always greater than the denominator. For example, previously I wrote here 5 by 3, numerator is always greater than the denominator. 7 by 4, 10 by 5, these are the examples of improper fraction. And next one is mixed fraction. This is a combination of the fraction which is having combination of whole part and proper fraction, not improper. Okay, proper fraction. For example, 3 1 by 4. So this is the whole part, 3 is whole part, and 1 by 4 already we know numerator is less than the denominator. It is called proper fraction. So whole part and fraction part. And 5 4 by 5, and 7 6 by 8. These are all examples of mixed fraction. And next, equivalent fraction. Last one is equivalent fraction. How to get equivalent fraction of given fraction? Suppose for example 3 by 4, it is given fraction. How to get equivalent fraction of 3 by 4? By multiplying numerator denominator with the same number. Here I am multiplying 3 by 4 with 2 by 2. So 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. So equivalent fraction of 3 by 4 is 6 by 8. And I am taking another one. Here I took multiplied numerator denominator with same number. Now I am taking 3 into 3 9, 3 into 4 12. Now 9 by 12 is equivalent fraction of 3 by 4. Like this we can take any number. 5 by 5, 15 by 20. So 15 by 20. These are all equivalent fractions of 3 by 4. How to get equivalent fraction? By multiplying numerator and denominator with the same number of the given fraction. We get equivalent fractions. So students, today I'll explained about the types of fractions. First one is unit fraction, second one is like fraction, third one is unlike fraction, fourth one is proper, fifth one is improper, sixth one is mixed fraction, and seventh one is equivalent fractions. So next class we will discuss about exercise how to add addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, and multiplications of fraction and division of fractions. So we are I'm explaining next sessions. Thank you.